5095 Edenhurst virtual tour. This house has been painted inside and out, brand new roof. It has a huge backyard. So it's a big house, 1-car garage, 3-bedroom, 2-bath here. Let's go inside. As you can see here, this is a nice big living room, fireplace. All painted, new plug switches, lights, paint. Nice large dining room. There's a outside there's a little enclosed porch. So you can see there's plenty of room here. All brand new painted cabinets. Has a gas stove. It has a dishwasher. Just a lovely place. LTV flooring. Let's go upstairs. Large bedrooms. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in Lyndhurst, Ohio. Let's go upstairs here. Here's the first bedroom. Good sized bedrooms. There's 2 closets in this one. And then in here is the first bathroom on the upstairs here with the 3 bedrooms. It's got a tub and it's got a shower. Brand new toilet, plug switches, lights, new hardwire. Nice property. Large bedroom here. This is the largest of them. We redid the floors. All that. Nice new paint, plug switches, lights, blinds. The whole works. Let's go down where the basement, and that's where the second full bathroom is. That was all done through the city. Here's your CO detector, your smoke detector. Let's go downstairs here. Awesome basement, clean, fresh. Here's your next bathroom, and this is brand new. We just installed all this, the new vanity. You got a big shower here for that, so that's really cool. And then you have all this, and here's where you keep all your stuff, right here. So, and heater. This has got central air. Nice property. This is the end of the virtual tour. This again is 5095 Edenhurst, Lyndhurst, Ohio.